Hello, this is Sean, your roof guy. People often ask me if there's any kind of maintenance they can do on their roof. There is some maintenance. Real simply, there's no reason to ever get on your roof. Every roofing company in the state of Florida, heck, the world, does free roofing inspections. So let someone take care of that for you. But what you can do though is simply walk around the house, take a look at your roof, make sure you don't see any kind of trees, branches overhanging on the roof, any kind of debris on the roof. We don't want pine needles or acorns, or all that stuff allows moisture to collect underneath it, damaging the roof. Any kind of missing tabs or shingles, discoloration, watch for those things. As you're going through the yard, maybe as you're mowing your yard, if you see any kind of roofing debris, a piece of shingle, not normal for a piece of shingle to be in your yard. Check in the gutters. If you see inside the gutters, you can see any kind of granulation loss. Simple things you can do without getting on your roof. Any other questions, feel free to call. We do offer free roof inspections. Once again, this is Sean with XLR8 Roofing.